Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur and I have Preeti with me today for a game of Hangman. Now, we've been enjoying Hangman, we've been trying to guess too many words. Let's see if Preeti can guess today's word. Are you ready, Preeti?
Yes.
Let's see how fast you can guess the word today. All right, let's go. Let's start. What is the first letter?
A.
Sorry, no A. The head is here.
E.
E. Okay, so we do have an E. Okay, the E is here. Okay, let's go.
R.
R. No. No R. Come on. Think. I mean, it's too early to think. We just got one letter. So you can probably guess a few more letters and then we can probably start thinking of what word it could be. Come on.
T.
T for toy, right?
Yeah.
No. No tea, no coffee, no tea here. Okay, next. You can still go with the strategy, which we always play with.
O.
See, I give you a clue. Oh, here is an O and here is an O. Two O's there. Okay, go. What is your next guess, Preeti? Come on, have you guys guessed it? Do you know what the word is? Preeti is still thinking which word to say next. Come on, go, next.
D. Letter D.
Ooh, nice. Okay. D. Preeti says D. D is right there on the word. It's very easy to guess it now, I guess. Can you guess? Go. Come on. You still have one leg, two hands of the hangman waiting. So you can still go with another letter. Come on, Preeti.
H.
H. No H. Go. What were you thinking with H, or you just randomly said the letter?
Randomly.
Acha. I thought maybe you were trying to make some word. See, where there are very few words that have a double O and a D, So then you have to start thinking of words like that and then start guessing the letters. Because guessing the wrong word also will cost you a hand or a leg or whatever.
C.
Ooh, C. No. I see, you see, nobody see, ma. There is no C in this one. Go. And you have just one chance left. Come on, Preeti, you have to think. Think. Else I'll give you just one small clue.
Yeah.
See? Yeah. This is a food item.
Food. Noodle.
You have to give me an answer or go for a letter, whatever it is. Up to you. You said something very softly, which I did hear.
Noodles.
You are asking me or you're telling me, Preeti? Noodles? Yes,
Yeah.
Paka, 100%. Okay, it is noodles. Alright, yes, Preeti has got it right. Go, Preeti, high five. Although you needed a clue, but then when you said H, I was thinking you were thinking of hoodies as the word. That is why I asked you.
I thought of doodle.
Doodle, but then if there would have been another D, the first letter also would have been If you thought of doodle, you couldn't think of noodle. You should have told L, no. We could have taken it up. Guys, am I right or wrong? Next time, Preeti should play like that, okay? Please leave in the comment how she should strategize to play with me this game next time, okay? Alright, okay. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, stay updated on all our latest quiz, puzzle games and videos. Until then, me and Preeti will see you soon in another game of Hangman. See you soon. Bye.